Hello guys, this is Tech and today a review about Stream Deck and Stream Deck Mini. As you know, they are exactly the same, they do exactly the same thing, but the only thing that we are seeing is the number of buttons you have in each one. As you know, Stream Deck Normal has 15 buttons and the Stream Deck Mini has 6 buttons. So if you look at the price range, we are speaking about one as $10 per button and the other as a $17 per button. So, and for what purpose would you buy a mini instead of the normal, or the normal instead of the mini? It all depends on all the kinds of things you want to do with a Stream Deck. If you are a streamer, I must say that, for example, the normal stream will be really good for you because you can define a lot of things, and I'm gonna show you in my configuration video what you can do with the Stream Deck. If Stream Deck is only for streamers, no, completely wrong. If you are a creator of content, if you are a musician, if you are a producer, I mean, in the Stream Deck you've got a lot of buttons, the shortcut buttons to easily access all your application, websites, everything. It's all in a click of a button. So the Stream Deck, as you can see, has the possibility of changing degree of for the best view, which means that when you are on a computer and you want to see if it's far away, you can always change the degree angle to your best view. And in the Stream Deck Mini this doesn't happen. Why? Because I think it's always 45 degrees. So the only thing that you have to do is put it more far away or closest, depends of your angle of view and the best position for you to see the buttons. The other thing that I must say is the cable length. They didn't implement the best solution in the Stream Deck Mini. I mean, as you can see, the cable, it's exactly the same length, which is 2 feet more or less. And I mean, you have to have two things. One, your PC is right on side of you. Two, you've got USB extensions to connect to your PC, and you can extend this USB cable. I don't know why, but Elgato made the cables too short in my opinion. The other thing is the price. Okay, so we are speaking about Stream Deck is $150 and the Stream Deck Mini is $99. Now that we have seen the hardware specifications, let's do the configuration and I'm gonna show you exactly what you will get when you are buying a product of this. Let's check it out. Basically, the main purpose of this product is to be able to make a shortcut and an easy way for your life when you are on PC. But let me just show you what I've got here. As you can see, I've got the 2 Stream Decks already configured. I've added some buttons, not too many, just some, because I just was messing around with it. And as you can see, I've got, for example, my Stream Deck 2 and my Stream Deck 1 here. So what can you do with this is really simple. If you are a streamer, you can, for example, create a field of for message, for example, for Twitch, for YouTube, wherever, and you can create, for example, submenus including message for the people. For example, you are streaming and you are playing, you die, you can press a button and say, please subscribe, or please follow me on Instagram, or please follow me on Twitch, anything you want. And for do this, it's really easy. I'm gonna show you. Just have to, for example, create a folder. In this folder, I don't know, call it message. For example, as you can see, we already got there an icon, and this icon you can, for example, enter and define a new message. And for the new message, you have all these menus here on the right, as you can see in the Stream Deck, that you can find. You can find, for example, message for YouTube, message for tweet. If you want, for example, send a tweet when you are starting a live and you press it, and it will send directly a tweet for your Twitter account saying, guys, I'm on live. And for example, for Twitch, you can send, for example, a chat message. I mean, you can do anything. You just have, for example, to connect your YouTube account or Twitch account, drag over this to your button, say, for example, subscribe, and you write here, for example, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is what you can do. And now if we go up, you see we got here the message, but you can change this for a great icon. Let's, for example, get it from a file. I'm gonna show, okay, I'm gonna put, for example, YouTube, and you can see I've got already YouTube here. If you press now, you got your message to subscribe people. So if you want to people to subscribe, you just have to add a lot of message here, and you still can do another submenu here, another submenu, and you enter and create another submenu, and you have infinite menus, submenus that you can implement. So this is one of the things that I must warning. If you are buying a Stream Deck, you are not closer to 12 buttons or to 6 buttons. In each button you can define submenus, which is great, and using all the predefined things you want here on Stream Deck. For example, I've created one for sites. If I want to go to my Facebook, I go to my Facebook. If I want to go, for example, to my YouTube account, it's really simple. I just have to go to here, system, website, drag and drop this to here, put the new URL for my website, for example, YouTube, and write it here, YouTube account. Okay, it's here. No, let me just put YouTube. Okay, as you can see, define a new image for this. I don't know, just gonna put something like this. And as you can see, we already got here my YouTube channel, and when you press it, it goes to YouTube. Just open YouTube. As you can see, really simple of use. I mean, if you are working with this kind of tools, it will be really easy to work with. You will not have any doubts. It's basically drag and drop, define folders, and you're on. So that's why I told you that this is really nice, even for people that are creator content, people that are musicians, people that spend a lot of time working with computers. This is a really nice tool because it's got a lot of shortcuts. You can define submenus, you can define multiple shortcuts for all your applications. For example, I've got here for my Adobe Premiere, for my Photoshop. Oh, one thing it's really great, it's the multimedia that you can create too. I mean, I create my multimedia. As you can see, I've got the mute button, increase button, next music, previous music. For example, if you are listening Spotify, let me just open Spotify, for example, and now next, and now next, and now mute. You mute it, and now you can unmute the music again. As you can see, it's really easy to use. You will not have any doubts. If you think this is a great product, you know, you will have the link in the description. Just tell me what you think. Which one did you buy? The mini or the normal, and what do you think about this product? Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me here on Instagram, and as always, bye bye and see you soon.